Today we take topic relation between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. Point first, let alpha be a zero of linear polynomial fx is equal to ax plus b. To get zero of the polynomial, we take ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax is equal to minus b. X is equal to minus b by a. Value of x here minus b by a is 0 of the polynomial. It is denoted by alpha. So alpha is equal to minus b by a. Alpha is equal to minus, here b is the constant term, and a coefficient of x. So what do we get here? We get a relation between 0 of the polynomial and the coefficients of a polynomial. Minus b by a. We get a relation between 0 and coefficient of polynomial. Point 2. Let alpha beta be zeros of quadratic polynomial fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then by factor theorem, x minus alpha into x minus beta can be written as ax square plus bx plus c. We can take into k also. Taking a common, on right hand side, x square plus b by ax plus c by a. Simplifying left hand side, k x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Comparing on both sides, k is equal to a and coefficient of x is b by a, and here minus alpha plus beta. Constant term is here c by a, and left side it is alpha beta. This gives alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is b here? Coefficient of x. A coefficient of x square. So here is a relation between zeros and coefficient. Here is also a relation between 0 and coefficients. In short, alpha plus beta is written as s. Sum of zeros and alpha into beta, product of zeros. Point 3. Let alpha, beta, gamma be zeros of cubic polynomial fx is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then by factor theorem, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d will be equal to k into x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. On simplifying, k x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma is equal to, taking a common, in right hand side, x cube plus b by a x square plus c by a x plus d by a. Comparing on both sides, we get k is equal to a. Coefficient of x square is b by a and coefficient of x square is minus alpha plus beta plus gamma. Coefficient of x in left hand side alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and right hand side coefficient of x is equal to c by a. Also constant term in left hand side is minus alpha beta gamma, and in right hand side d by a. We take this and this. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. And alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Here a, b, c are coefficients and d is constant. So sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. We get relation between zeros and coefficients. Another relation between zeros and coefficients. And third relation between zeros and coefficients. In short, we denote it by S1 minus b by a, S2 c by a, and product of zeros by p minus d by a. Question number 1. Find zeros of polynomial 7y square minus 11 by 3y minus 2 by 3 and verify relationship between zeros of this with its coefficients. Solution. 7y square minus 11 upon 3y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. To get the zero of the polynomial, we equate polynomial to 0. Taking 3 LCM, 21y square minus 11y minus 2 is equal to 0. Replacing 3 that side, 21y square minus 11y minus 2 is equal to 3 into 0 means 0. Breaking into middle term, 21y square minus 14y plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. 7y is common here. 3y minus 2 plus 1 common. 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. 3y minus 2 further common in all. We get 7y plus 1 is equal to 0. When product of two terms is equal to 0, either first term is equal to 0 or second term is equal to 0. This gives y is equal to 2 by 3 and y is equal to minus 1 by 7. This is alpha and this can be written as beta. Now verification. We know alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha is 2 by 3, beta minus 1 by 7 is equal to minus coefficient of the degree 2. Variable is called a and coefficient of degree 1 b and constant term c. So minus b by a minus 11 upon 3 whole upon A 7. This can be written as LCM 21 plus left hand side is equal to right hand side. Also, product of 0 is equal to C by A. Alpha is equal to 2 by 3. Beta minus 1 by 7 is equal to C minus 2 by 3 upon A 7 minus 2 by 21 and minus 2 upon 21. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence we find that sum of zeros is equal to minus B by A and product of zeros is equal to C by A. Hence it is verified. Question 2. Verify 3 minus 1 by 3 are zeros of polynomial fx is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3 and verify relationship between its zeros and coefficients. Here fx is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Value of fx at x is equal to 3. 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27, 3 ja 81, 3 3 ja 9, 5 ja 45, 33 minus 3, 81. All these minus numbers, so we add them together, it is 81, we get 0. By factor theorem we know that if f alpha is equal to 0, then alpha is the 0 of the polynomial. So x is equal to 3 is its zeros. Also f minus 1, we check for second value. 3 into minus 1 cube minus 5 into minus 1 square minus 11 into minus 1 minus 3. By calculation we find 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of given polynomial px. Also f minus 1 by 3, taking value of x as minus 1 by 3 in the polynomial. 3 minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 by 3 square minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3 is equal to, solving we get 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is its 0. Therefore the first value x is equal to 3, we take it as alpha. The second 0 beta is equal to minus 1. The third 0 gamma is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now verification. In fx is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3, equating with standard form of cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is a, minus 5 is b, minus 11 is c and minus 3 is d. The first alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha is 3, beta minus 1, gamma minus 1 by 3, minus b. b is minus 5 and a is 3. Taking LCM in left side, 3 3 is 9, minus 3 minus 1. 5 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Second point, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. Alpha is 3, beta minus 1 plus minus 1, gamma minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3, alpha is 3. C by A, C is minus 11 and A is 3. Solving, we get minus 11 by 3 is equal to minus 11 by 3. That is, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Point third, product of zeros alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus D by A. Alpha is 3, beta minus 1, gamma is minus 1 by 3. Minus D, D is minus 3 and A is 3. Minus minus plus 3 cancelled 1 and here also 1. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. From point first, second, third, relationship between zeros and coefficients are satisfied, hence verified.